All right, what's up, everybody? Keybeard here with a fun video today. Thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm going to be picking my Paclock 90a-pro. This one I'm picking today because this showed up in the mail today. Pretty awesome. This is a recognition letter from Paclock company itself saying congratulations. You have picked the Paclock 90a-pro. They have this thing going on for pickers. Anybody who opens one of these on video, you can send it in to Paclock, and they will send you a recognition letter. It comes with a patch, a couple stickers. It's really cool. So I didn't know they did that, and I actually picked this lock 2 years ago and posted it on Reddit. And what my video was showing a nifty little trick on how to pick this easier for everybody. And I'm about to show you that today. So, today's little trick is loosening the pressure off the core. So on these Paclocks, the core of the lock actually goes all the way through and touches the ball bearings that holds the shackle in place. Keeps it locked up. So what that means is the shackle is spring-loaded, so it's pushing that way and putting pressure on those ball bearings going that way, which means you're putting pressure on the bottom of the back of that core, which you have to fight when you're trying to pick. Well, get rid of that. All you got to do is simply push in your shackle and then just let it out just slightly, where it's not, so the ball bearings are now just free floating. So now you've released all the pressure off the back of that core, which should make it a whole lot easier to pick. And I'm going to show you how I do it. I think I've seen some people might use a rubber band or something, but we'll find out here. So this is a 7-pinner. It's got some nice bitting on it. So we got a little 7-pinner here. It does work nicely. And let's get set up. So what I do to hold my shackle in place, on the back of my vise I have these posts and then of course the thread. When I put this in my vise, I'm actually going to push it up against these posts, push it in, and then slightly release it, and that'll hold it in place for me. So I'm going to put that in place, and I'm going to push the whole thing into my vise, kind of tighten it up just a little bit, pop it out just a little. So let's get me adjusted here. Hold on. Right there. Just like that. Now keep it tight. So now I've released the pressure of the back of this core. And now we can pick it. Look at that. That's a good shot, right? Okay. I'm going to use a 4/1000 top of the keyway and a deep hook 15/1000. And here we go. So see how nice and loose that core is now? Now you should be able to pick it just like an American lock. Very little tension. Okay, make sure I'm not going to focus on my fingers. There we go. Okay, we're going to start with 1. And we're going to move all the way back to 6. Sadly, I kind of know the pinning order of this lock. I've been, playing with it a little bit. So 6 we're on 5. 6 again. 7. Oop. Almost lost my tension there. Hold on a second. Uh-oh. What's happening here? I'm gonna do that, I guess. Okay. Couple clicks there and there. Getting a lot of counter rotation. If I can get it to move for me. There she goes. And nope. Well, maybe one again. Come on now, don't be camera shy. There she is. Okay, we have an open. Oh wow, almost went too far. You didn't hear a heckle pop because it's kind of pinched in there. But, okay. What is, what's going on here? Ah, there we go. That was weird. There's the open. So that was different. I'm gonna keep that on camera. So I don't know why, but actually when I turned it, I overturned it in a little bit and it locked it back up so it wouldn't turn the shackle. So I actually had to back it out and it finally opened. All right, let's gut this guy. Keep him on the camera. We're gonna do this quickly. And today I have a special treat. I'm going to use these because I have my brand new keyboard, not keyboard, but it's my Keybeard keyboard. No, it's my brand new pinning tray. Oh yeah. There we go. Keep that in scene. Okay, what do I need? I need a hex head. This guy? Ooh, on the first guess. There we go. Okay. Keep it in spot. There we go. Pull them out. Okay, now you can kind of see what I'm talking about when I say the core actually goes all the way to the actuator. It actually goes all the way to the ball bearings. So if you look inside there, you can see one of the ball bearings fell down. The ball bearings sit in this notch and this notch. And so when that shackle has pressure on it, it's actually pushing these. So now you have pressure back here. So if you release that pressure, it's a lot easier to pick. I'm going to go ahead and lock him up because I do have the key. And as for... yeah, so let's set him here. I probably should have been more prepared, but I think it's this one. Yes, that one. Okay, let's pull C-clip off of this guy. There we go. Grab the key. Lost the key. There we go. Okay, I only have a little play, so I'm going to set him. You got to be careful. You don't want your pins to fall down in there. So if your pin line is here, you want to kind of put it right there. Or you can shim it too, but I'm kind of lazy about shimming. So let's see if this is the right follower, and we're good. Nice. Okay. All right. Let's go down, 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 like that. So we got a standard, 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 standard. Okay, nothing's been done to the core. This is just your basic Paclock. I'm going to set him over here. Let me grab my tweezers. Let me kind of clean these up a little bit. There we go. Spin them around. You know, make them look presentable. Don't mind my rambling. There we go. All right, we're going to start from the front. Let me try to keep this in the scene. Come on. All right, pin 1. We have a, oops. Keep it in there. A very lovely spool. Okay, and we got 2. And we got a serrated. All right, 3. We got a spool. These are tiny little spools, aren't they? All right, let's switch to the back. So we got 7 is a serrated or just a standard. We'll take a closer look here in a second. Let's get this guy out. Looks like a serrated. Another spool on 4 and I'm sorry, 5, and then number 4 serrated. Let's get these pins out, or the springs out. There we go. Boom. Boom. These are all just the same type of spring. Yep, almost. One more. There we go. Where you at? You in there? It's in chamber 2. There she goes. Sometimes you gotta beat them a little harder than normal. All right, well there it is, folks. So this was my Paclock 90a-pro, the same one that I turned in the video for. As you can see, we have, I'm going to start on the back here on 7. We have like a standard, a serrated, standard spool, serrated, standard, serrated, standard, spool, standard, and spool. Very nice, guys. All right, well, that's kind of my longest video yet. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys lock and subscribe. That's a thumbs up somewhere. There we go. Lock and subscribe, guys. And happy picking.